this video, we will show you how to solve a problem MySQL on some application cannot run on Windows 11. If you see here, after I try to restart or start the Xampp with MySQL, the MySQL services cannot start it. There is MySQL shutdown unexpectedly, and this is always happen. And after run for a while there is a shutdown again. Then the Apache is normal. If you see here, I reload the Apache, and then when I run phpMyAdmin, it will give the error because this MySQL service cannot to be started. To solve this problem on Windows 11, the method is very easy. You need just to make sure this is stop, and then go to your Xampp installation. On my machine or computer is on with C drive, and go to the Xampp installation, go to the MySQL folder, and go to the data. After that, you need to copy as backup for IB data 1 because we will to rename this. Okay, I already copied this. If done, you can just make backup like this. Okay, I will del. Then this is the original files that make this MySQL is error, so we need just to rename this, and some application will create it one file with MySQL. Okay, let's try to click start it again, and you will see in here it will create it. Okay, now the problem is solved. No error anymore, and you can see your database again in here. Hope this video helpful for you.